to do a fantastic Elvis Presley song. This is called Your Love's Been a Long Time Coming. It's a fantastic song that he used to sing. You know, I really do love his songs.
First time I saw you, I knew I was hooked on somebody other than me. First time I held you, your soft lips and blue eyes, as far as my eyes could see. It's here in my arms, I knew I had found the reason that I'm living for. I felt the feeling, such a wonderful feeling that I never felt before. Baby, your love's been a long time coming. Baby, your love got a hold on me. Baby, your love sure got me humming. Baby, your love's been a long time coming. Deep in my heart, there's a feeling I never knew until I saw the love that was very new. I'm gonna tell everyone what good love can do. Baby, your love's been a long time coming. Baby, your love's got a hold on me. Baby, your love's sure got me humming. Baby, your love's been a long time coming. Baby, your love's been a long time coming.